Hey babes, welcome to my channel. I wanted to share with you today my most recent Ulta haul. It's a big bag, so let's get excited about that. So I want to share with you everything that I got from Ulta. I also don't want to leave out these 3 lipsticks that I got from TJ Maxx, so I'm gonna share those with you as well. So some of these products are for me and my own personal use. Some of these products are to restock my professional kits. It has been a really long, full, beautiful wedding season. However, some of these staples are starting to run low in my kit, so I went and purchased them. So I'm just gonna share with you everything that I bought and hope that you enjoy it. First things first, I was running really low on my #1 go-to lash glue. I love that this shade is in black. So this is for my kit. Had to have it, had to restock. These next items that I got are for myself. I got 4 different masks. This one right here is Cucumber and Calming. It's a mud mask, and so it is soothing and it is for sensitive skin. A hydrating mask and a charcoal mask. This one is a revitalizing sheet mask. It recharges exhausted skin with vital energy to give it a glow. This is what I need. The next thing I bought at Ulta, I was so excited about, and I did have a little bit of like, I don't know what to buy. Like which color, which shade to buy. So I bought onto the hype and I am super excited about it. It is the Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops in the shade Sunlight. But like, oh, it's just so stinking beautiful. And it does have little droppers, so you can just add, just a little bit. So my shade conundrum was, I have seen a lot of people talk about Moonlight as the shade that they really like. And when I put Moonlight on and I was swatching it in the store, it just had more of like an opalescent and a little bit more of like a purpley blue, like a cooler undertone. And I was like, I don't care, I want it. It's beautiful. There's only one left. Obviously it's like amazing and everyone needs it. And then when I started to rub it in though, it just didn't complement my skin. It wasn't warm enough. I was like, no, this is the only one that I'm gonna get. And then I started to dabble in some of the other shades, and I found this Sunlight one, and it has such a beautiful like golden glow to it. And that for me just works better with my skin tone. And it's like so stinking gorgeous. And I put this on, like, I didn't even add this to my foundation, guys. I literally just took like 4 droppers and just like rubbed it all over my face and my décolleté and was like, I feel so fabulous. Because it really just is so beautiful. And I feel like my skin is kind of dry, and I do like more of like a shiny, dewier look, just so my skin doesn't look so matte and so dry. So this is so beautiful. I definitely will be adding this to foundation, but I am loving like this glow that I'm getting just by having it on my skin first. So I did my moisturizer, my primer, then this, and then my foundation. I am thankful that I trusted my instinct and I swatched all the colors out and realized the one that was best for my skin tone, even though it isn't the one that everyone's talking about. It's not the shade everyone's loving, but it's the shade that's right for me, and I think that's gonna allow me to love this product actually even more. So the next thing that I got from Ulta might not be super thrilling to anyone who doesn't do makeup professionally. I got this huge multi-count of makeup wedges. I go through these so much. I feel like these are a staple in my makeup kit. I do like this brand. As a makeup artist, I cannot sanitize a beauty blender and then use it on someone else. There isn't a way to kind of sanitize sponge material in a way that's sanitary to use on other people. So you can clean it, yes, but I can't sanitize it. And that's where these makeup wedges come in play for me. I will take my setting spray and I will spray the little makeup wedge and then go in and use it for concealer or foundation. Sometimes I use the corner of the wedge and I hold it right here under the eye, and I kind of keep it from any fallout, and I'll do eyeshadow on the bottom line. So they're just a really, really great product for my professional kit. I know there's nothing like super stellar exciting about them, but I do think that they are a great product. So another item that I purchased for my professional kits are these mascara wands. Obviously, my goal is to always make sure everything is sanitary when I'm doing other people's makeup. So I use this in my mascara tube, and this is a one-time do their mascara. If I need to get more mascara for that person, I then have to throw this bad boy away and get a new one. That happens all the time. I would probably say I use like 3 of these on each person, just for random things like separating eyelashes from eye glue and mascara and bottom lashes. So I use these all the time, and these things are so tricky to find. I can get them online, but I feel like sometimes it's a hit or miss with quality on that. So these are definitely a must. Also, I had eyelash extensions for a while at one point, and I had like one of these in my purse, 2 in my bathroom, couple in my makeup vanity, 1 in my car, because you never know when you needed to brush your lashes out. So just in general, everyone needs like a handful of these. The next thing that I purchased at Ulta is from It Cosmetics. I wanted a tinted moisturizer or a BB cream or something that I could get with just a little bit of coverage, but mostly I'm looking for sunblock. And I have tried this product a couple different times in a few different shades in a different course of the year. And I absolutely love It Cosmetics CC cream with SPF 50. It is a CC cream, so it does have a little bit higher of a coverage than a BB cream or a tinted moisturizer. This is what it looks like. I got the shade medium tan. I love that it's in a pump and it's in this little travel friendly container. A little bit goes such a long ways. It's so creamy and it's really, really hydrating, and it has a good coverage. Look at it over this Cover FX drops. So this CC cream, it's already dry. It feels so good. It went right into my skin, no issues, and it has SPF 50 in it. This next product that I purchased was not on my list of things to get. So I always make a list when I am going into Ulta or Sephora or MAC or anywhere, even online when I'm buying products. I'm like, I have to have a list so I don't get off track, right? Because there's so many pretty things there that it's easy to do. I had a list, but I got all the items on my list and then I strayed off my list. So it was okay, right? So I have been seeing the promotions leading up to the Candy Johnson and Too Faced collab. Everything just is so stinking pretty. You have to go check that out. And I have been in the search for a banana setting powder, I would say probably for about a year now. I was using the Ofra banana setting powder and it was absolutely wonderful and I loved it. And it was perfect for the summer because it was a little golden. Ever since I hit pan on that and ran out, I'm like, I want to try another banana powder to see if I like it. And then, I don't know, I just went through some banana powders and I used them. I think just like blew my skirt up. It was like, all right, like an under eye setting powder. And then I started dabbling into translucent powders and then forgot all about banana powder. And then I was at Ulta and I walked over and I was like, ooh, Candy Johnson, that's right! She has that banana powder. So this product I had zero intention of purchasing when I went into Ulta. I saw this and I was so excited because it is the Tutti Frutti Too Faced Candy Johnson banana powder collaboration. Say that 10 times fast. This packaging is so stinking cute and it's just the box. It gets cuter. Look how stinking cute that is. And then you pop this little bad boy open on the corner, and I love that it's not just like a full square, that it has this little cut off corner in it. And I'm serious, it's bananas. Like, there's bananas in there. Is that not the cutest thing ever? And then, I don't know if you can see, but the mirror says Too Faced right here, and then there's a stinking banana. It's so cute, and of course it smells like bananas. It smells so, so good, and it's so pretty. And I almost don't like love rubbing over the bananas because I know they're so pretty, but you gotta do what you gotta do. See how well that blends in? It's not like chalky or filmy anywhere. It doesn't have as intense of a yellow undertone pigment, which I kind of was hoping for. I would say this is a little bit more of a banana translucent powder than a true banana powder where you're like baking your under eyes with yellow. I'm just such a fan of this like super sleek packaging. I think it's really, really cute. I love the gold. I think it could set out and display really beautifully. I also think it's pretty compact that if you needed to travel with it, you could. I could see if you were going away like on a girls trip or whatever, you would definitely want to include this in your bag. So excited about this. I'll let you know how I like it and how it wears. Okay, last thing that I got from Ulta before we move into a couple of the lipsticks that I got from TJ Maxx. This next item was another item that was not on my list of things I had to get, but when I saw it, I knew that I wanted it, and I just like envisioned all of these beautiful styles that this hair accessory could really, really just like pull it all together. So this is a ponytail holder. I am so ready for a top knot in that. Like really just give yourself some support. Also, I think it'd be really cute as like partially in a braid and then this and then the other partial of the braid. So I just have all of these like creative visions with hairstyling when I saw this. This is from Kitsch. I really, really like this brand. I was just reading an article recently that was saying the 80s and 90s like hair accessory fashion game is coming back. It's coming back strong. The scrunchies, the hair clips, the banana clips, all of those things, bedazzled bobby pins, they're coming back. I feel like I've actually never left. I've been using hair accessories the whole time, even though they weren't cool for a while. Next, we're gonna move into just I just got a couple quick things from TJ Maxx. They were those things that I couldn't say no to. I was like, how are these on sale here? One is Too Faced Peach Kiss. It is a matte lipstick in the shade Doll Face. So you know when you're at the store and you're checking out and there's like all of like the little like last minute like don't forget you need this. I was literally at the counter paying and there was a display of all high-end makeup and I'm like, hang on, like I'm not done yet. Don't check me out. And I'm like, I have to look through all this makeup, right? I found this lipstick from Too Faced. It is so beautiful. This is the shade on top. I love that the shade is literally part of the packaging. That's genius. Look how beautiful this is. It's like such a perfect nude. Oh my gosh. I haven't got to swatch this yet. This packaging just feels so luxurious, and this shade right here is so pretty. Like, it's just like such a good nude color, and it is a little more peach than I anticipated, but in the most perfect way. I really think that this is going to be a great addition to my lipstick arsenal that I have in my professional bag. I am often getting requests for just something nude, something pink, something warm, something peachy. Everybody just really wants a nude lip. So this was definitely a product that I wasn't anticipating, but I'm so happy I got. This next lipstick shade is from Anastasia Beverly Hills in Dusty Mauve. And this is the packaging. This is like a rose gold copper color with this super sleek lipstick tube. And then you have her classic packaging and branding on there. And then this really, I think Dusty Mauve is like the perfect name for this. And this is just so pretty. Oh my gosh. Look how purpley and good that is. Anastasia, you kill me with how good things are. I absolutely love that. And I feel like that is such a beautiful winter color that it makes me excited for like scarves and hats and plummy, purpley, dusty rose lipstick. The last lipstick I want to share with you is from Anastasia. Again, same packaging, same line. This color is called Buff, and it is a matte lipstick, and I think that is just so pretty. Again, I'm trying to keep other people's skin tones in mind when I'm purchasing these things and really like listening to the tones that people want when they request their lipstick color. This was that last one. So we have 3 here. I've got this one from Too Faced, and then these 2 right here are from Anastasia. And I just think that they're such a great addition to my makeup kit that I can't even wait to go ahead and add these in there. I hope that you had the best time looking at some of these products, getting a small review of why I purchased them and how I use them, whether I use them personally myself or I incorporate them into my professional makeup artist kit. I hope that you have seen some products that maybe you haven't heard about or tried yet. If you have tried any of these products or in any of these shades, let me know. I would love to hear your review on them. Also, if you have other things that you think that I would like, I'm definitely open to your recommendations. I love that part. So leave me a comment below and let me know what products you're loving right now. If you liked this Ulta and TJ Maxx makeup haul video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to see more, and I'll see you babes in the next video.